Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to check if you're shadow banned on Instagram. So make sure to stick around until the end of the video. So let's get started first. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner and scroll all the way down to the very bottom. You'll see an option called account status. Go ahead and tap on that. If your account is in good standing, you'll see green check marks, which means your content is all good and you have full access to feature like commenting, following, and going live. However, if there are any issues, they'll show up right there. If you see any violations, don't worry, you can go through the appeal process and Instagram will re-evaluate your content. And that is it. That's how you can check if you're shadow banned on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one as always.